leaves falling, people in doorways stalling, strange faces brought together, chased in by stormy weather. Meeting your lovely face, so beautifully wrapped in lace, made me much more aware the rain was there to bring you near me. A rainy day, the perfect time for romance, and suddenly we start walking, feeling no need for talking. Meeting your eyes of splendor, you smile and I surrender. Hardly can keep from knowing, just by the way you're glowing. We're both out in the rain, we kiss and then I hold you near me. A rainy day, a rainy day, a perfect time for romance and